I took off his shorts.
The McDonald's Beefy Cheesy Double Cheeseburger. Just one of the extravagant choices on the dollar menu. Try Hot Pockets brand calzones. Oven-baked calzone taste from your microwave. Delicious meats, cheeses, and sauces stuffed inside an Italian-style herb crust. Try hearty calzones from Hot Pockets.
It seems like magic because it works so good. Within the very first week, I noticed